Hey guys, so today, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do, but I think I'm just gonna tell you guys today. So apparently, I do have a sore throat. Well, not sore throat, but I do have a cough, and I do have a low voice. So yeah, but um, on my videos, you guys have seen that I have apparently wait. Oh, I apparently done a bunch of videos. I did 20 or 21 videos. Yeah, and I just want to thank you guys for 90 subscribers. And thank you guys. Well, apparently, apparently, I think I'm just gonna chill with you guys. I want to share my screen really bad and show you guys my screen, but apparently I cannot. So, yeah. Apparently that's good. I wanted to, but I can't show you guys my screen. I'm sorry, guys. Well, oh my god. Okay. That was whoopsie daisies. I dropped my thing here. Let me just make this lighter real quick. There, now you guys see. Oh my god. Okay. So yeah, guys, I think I'm just gonna leave it here. It wasn't really that much talking, but yeah. I'll do one trick to do the intro. So, wait, intro? Well, yeah, I don't know. Well, let's go. I'm mixed up today, guys. On the charger, so this could probably fall, and you guys are probably not gonna see me. I guess I'll do a front walk maybe. Okay. Oh, it's sideways. I can't fix it. It's on a charger. If you guys could see it, I'm sorry if you guys can't though, because I don't really have it. I do have a cushion down. Oh, okay. I'm gonna try that one more time. I think I'm gonna start. I think I'm going to try again, even though I said I was gonna do one. Oof. Again, bro. I'm gonna keep doing this. Not gonna end it until I do this. So let's do it. Whew, okay. Oh my god, that did not work well. I did land it though, but I'm gonna do more. Okay, so I did 1, 2, 3. Now 4, I think. If you guys know, please count them right now. So yeah. Hey, whew. Hopefully I don't die. Okay, I'm gonna die. Whew, okay. I'm gonna do 7. Hopefully on 7. When I get to 7 and I do it, you guys better subscribe. Better. Okay. Whew. This is number 5. I think. Nope, that was just my hands. Yeah. I don't think that counts as number 5. So, doing number 5. Oh my god. I actually flew. Okay. Well, I actually did flew. Hey, dog. Okay, no, it's not a dog. I don't have a dog. Okay, come on. So maybe one day, I think I'm gonna do something one day. You'll guys see. Okay, well, so do this now. Hey, this is number 6. Totally destroyed that. Number 7. Subscribe if I get this good. I think that counts as 1. I did landed 1. Okay, well, bye guys. Peace.